Hello everyone, it's mid-year of 2022. Can you believe that we're already on our 6th episode of Nehmeh Tips Hacks? Such an amazing journey for all of us indeed. On this episode, we will be featuring tips and hacks that you can use for your welding applications using one of the best welding brands in the world, Awelco. I know this is gonna be fun. Let's get on to it. Tip number 1. With this job, safety is a top priority. Be sure you are wearing an overall, leather gloves, eye protection, and other necessary accessories. Tip number 2. Since welding is a job done with caution, it's best to keep everything in hand and to keep the space neat and clean. Weld in a well-ventilated area, free from flammables and with a stable electrical connection. These factors affect the comfortability of the user, which in return will give the desired welding result. Tip number 3. Maintain a 60 to 70 degree angle while welding. Tilting the rod too much or positioning it in a perpendicular angle will give you a bad weld, either having a welding current too low or too high. Keeping it in the correct angle and using the required amperes of the rod used will surely give you a good weld. That was fun to watch, right? We would also like to mention that we have these Awelco helmets that will give you the maximum protection that you need for any welding job that you will do. So what do you think about this episode of Nehmeh Tips and Hacks? Again, this has been Shannon, your Nehmeh Tip Advisor. See you in the next video!